Hello everyone, this is the Abundance Oracle here. It's Monday. It's just 9:46. You can see this is out my side yard, which is the golf course. You can see how they piled it up, but they have cleared a lot out. And now we're going to drive down the street. Holy moly, hold on everybody. You can get a good, I'm going to go slow so that you can get, the roads are actually fabulous. It's just that there's a lot of wet snow. It's not solid ice really because it is, it's above freezing. So I imagine that tonight we're going to have some real, oops, hold on, I gotta put my seatbelt on, otherwise you're gonna be listening to that. Hold on, one second. Okay, otherwise you're going to be listening to that beep beep as while I'm driving. Here we go, I'll do it up here. So you can see there's quite a bit of snow, especially if you are living in a place that there is wind, because the wind, like my snow drifts were quite significant. Above my knee to walk through to get to my chicken coop this morning. And unfortunately, as you're walking and you don't realize it's going to be so tall, it's goes, all that extra ice goes into your boot. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Here we go. So, okay. Hopefully everybody has their shovels, and if I see anybody else or anything you want to know, I'm going to try and head off right now to the beach to show you. I'll stop first where there is that little pull off. You're supposed to have a speech sticker, but it's off season, so we can sort of pull in there, and I'll show you a picture of what the ocean is doing currently. It's not far, less than a mile away. But everybody seems to be doing fine. I think what makes a huge difference is when it's everything's electricized, or if you lose your electricity, then there seems to be real problems, because people, the guys that help out with plowing the snow and everything, some of them are probably pulled off other projects, like here. See, this is a big project, and they're currently digging. But this is smack dab on the ocean. These are where the wealthy people live. Here, let's see if I can find this there's a new project here coming up, maybe. I might have passed it already. But these houses are so charming. Look at this over here. Can you see that one? I love these little houses that are still old Cape Cod houses. Okay. Hold on, we're almost to the beach here. This is the little pull-off beach. I'm going slow, but you can see some of the houses out my window. This is the country club where they have their helpers stay. Okay, here's snow plowing by hand. Up there's part of the ocean here. Let me see if you can see out here. Outside the car. You see? Oh, wow, that's really rare that there's pieces of frozen salt water there. Oh, very rare. Very, very rare. I'll just show you this one house. It's really, really pretty. When we drive by this, we all say, oh, look at how pretty that is. Tens of millions of dollars. It's called the Sea Goddess. And then these are more modest, but still millions and millions of dollars, because you have an ocean view, Nantucket Sound view. Oh, look at how good our town is here. Can you see? They made a little scoop out so people looking at the ocean can see it. Wow. You know the little rock I show you that says persistence is the key or something like that? That's what's down there, if you remember that when I showed you that little beach down there. But okay, so you can see things are piled up, but we're all doing well. Trucks, I'm on the road, but some of the other trucks are also on the road. Okay, love you all. Just wanted to give you a brief synopsis of what's going on here. I know I spoke to my sister, and she said they're digging out, and my friend in a different state is digging out as well. Everybody's digging out, but everybody's doing well. No one I know, because I go through the whole list, make sure everyone's okay. The senior citizens, the single moms, the single parents, and make sure everybody's doing okay. Single dads, if they need to get out and do the shoveling, but the moms aren't around to take care of the kids, sometimes I volunteer to help out there. But anyway, do what you can to check in on people, especially the older people that are living by themselves now if their husbands or wives passed away. Oh, I can't even get you down to the real beach. Look at that.